Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix League of Legends crashing. It's easy if you want to fix it. All you have to do first, just click here and type game mode, and now turn on this option and go to captures. And after that, once you're here, all you have to do enable those two options. Disable those two options and go to Xbox Game Bar, turn it off, and then close it and go to League of Legends file location. Go to this PC and then you need to find Riot Games folder. Here it is, and then League of Legends game, right click and properties, compatibility. Now make sure to enable those two options, and first option make it for Windows 8. Now click apply, OK, and that's it. Now restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem must be fixed. I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.